You've mastered the numbers 0 to 20. Now you're ready to take it to the next level? Let's take it up to 100. You think you know 'em? Let's see about that.
Hola a todos, ¿estamos listos? 64, 46, 97, 82, 35, 24, 76, 51, 67, 94. Gracias.
So, what do you think? Are you already a master? Well, then move on to the next video. For the rest of us, we're looking to master the numbers 1 through 100. This is the video that's going to give us the opportunity to drill us from slow all the way up to conversational speed. We have Maggie here with us today. She's a native Spanish speaker from Colombia, here to walk us through the numbers 20 to 100. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hola amigos, me siento muy orgullosa de que hayan emprendido este nuevo camino para un nuevo aprendizaje de un idioma tan hermoso que es el español. Les deseo lo mejor, sigan practicando y mucha suerte.
Okay, here's our 10 by 10 grid. I've added numbers at the top to make it easier to grade your results. You can ignore them for now. The numbers on the left are a speed indicator. 16 words per minute, 18 words per minute, all the way up to 38, over twice as fast as the first row. Simply start in the top left corner and write down the number you hear. In real life, numbers don't come in sequential order, so I've randomized the order here also to promote true mastery.
Hola a todos, ¿listos? 64, 34, 30, 39, 45, 95, 85, 78, 26, 82, 57, 46, 71, 31, 99, 66, 59, 86, 23, 37, 82, 51, 47, 60, 99, 66, 25, 37, 15, 76, 78, 28, 88, 66, 99, 76, 20, 34, 27, 56, 47, 52, 69, 82, 62, 25, 13, 55, 85, 48, 51, 31, 67, 35, 65, 38, 72, 54, 61, 98, 92, 71, 34, 66, 26, 37, 21, 70, 81, 27, 99, 24, 78, 47, 18, 56, 27, 87, 15, 26, 80, 15, 26, 82, 19, 59, 29, 55, 99, 81, 28, 34, 84, 20, 60, 23, 76, 52, 16, 49.
Here's the answer sheet. Go ahead and grade yourself. It's okay if you got some wrong. That's the expectation. If you got 100%, what are you doing in this video? Move on to the next one. There you go. That's it. How'd you do? Are you a master yet? Well, if not, just keep coming back. Watch the video 7 days in a row. Record your scores. Take that challenge, and you'll be a master in no time. If this video is bringing you value, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification so that you're notified when I upload new material. If you like this video, click the like. Thanks for watching. There's a lot more to come, and I'm so glad you're with me on this journey to master Spanish. So we'll see you in the next video.